और हम बी फार्मेसी फर्स्ट सेम की बात करेंगे, जो कि जो सब्जेक्ट है वो फार्मास्यूटिक फर्स्ट है। इसका हम आज एमसीक्यू देखेंगे। इम्पॉर्टेंट इसलिए है क्योंकि जो ऑनलाइन एग्जाम हो रहे हैं उसमें ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, तो शुरू से लेकर के अंत तक देखिएगा। चलिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर बिना देर किए हुए देखते हैं। Our rectal suppository is used to treat a fever. This would represent what type of drug delivery? The answer is D. Internal and systematic. Internal and systematic. The answer is D. Okay. Next is second question number. Which one of the following medicine does not rely on topical drug delivery? The answer is C. Insulin pen. The answer is C. Okay. Next is three question number. From the below option, which will be most widely used form of doses? The answer is C. Tablet. The answer is C. Tablet. Okay. Next is fourth question number. Which of the following term refers to dosing adjustment? The answer is A. Titration. The answer is A. Okay. Next is five question number. BID, Bacindi, in pharmaceutical term refers to which of the following? The answer is A. Twice a day. Okay. The answer is A. Next is sixth question number. The formula below known as which of the following? जो नीचे का formula ये दिया हुआ है as of child by age of child plus 12 into adult dose equal to child dose. ये किस rules में है, किस rules में आता है? जो इसका आंसर होगा ये A होगा, Young's rule. Okay. Next is seventh question number. Vaginal suppositories also called as pessaries. जो इसका vaginal suppositories होगा वो किसका होगा? Pessaries. उसको हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Pessaries. The answer होगा A. Next is eighth question number. Which of the following is most commonly used suppository base? The answer is A. Cocoa butter. The answer is A. Cocoa butter. Okay. Next is ninth question number. Which of the following method is simple oldest method of preparation of suppositories? The answer is A. Hand modeling. The answer is A. Hand modeling. Okay. Next is 10 question number. Of the following oral liquid formulation, which would be considered as an oropharyngeal formulation? The answer is C. Mouthwash. The answer is C. Mouthwash. Okay. Next is 11 question number. Which of the following formulation would not be applicable to ocular administration? जो इसका आंसर होगा वो होगा B. Liniment. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 12 question number. Nasal administration is commonly used for the relief of. The answer is D. Congestion. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 13 question number. Ocular administration involves the treatment of which area? जो इसका आंसर होगा वो होगा B. आई में, यानी कि आंख में. Okay. The next question number is 14 question number. Which of the following dosage form deliver the API to GI tract? The answer is A. Rectal suppository. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 15 question number. Where is the site of administration for the dosage form that use transdermal delivery? The answer is D. The skin. The answer is D. Next is 16 question number. Intravenous, intramuscular and subcutaneous are all example of the which route of administration? The answer administration मतलब इंटर किया जाता है, उसमें डाला जाता है बॉडी के अंदर. तो किसके द्वारा डाला जाता है? तो इसका जो आंसर होगा वो होगा डी. पैरेंटल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, मतलब इंजेक्शन वगैरह जो लगते हैं उसके द्वारा. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज 17 क्वेश्चन नंबर. गिवन द फ्लोइंग आर मोनोफेजिक लिक्विड डोजेस फॉर्म एक्सेप्ट. द आंसर इज डी. एनीमिया. द आंसर इज डी. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज 18 क्वेश्चन नंबर. पोसोलॉजी डील्स विथ. जो पोसोलॉजी है वो डील्स विथ किससे होता है? इसका आंसर जो होगा डोज ऑफ ड्रग. आंसर इज सी. नेक्स्ट इज 19 question number. Which incompatibility may be correct by changing the order of mixing? The answer is C. Tolerated, मतलब सहन शक्ति. The answer is C. Okay. Next is 20 question number. Crystallization is an example of which incompatibility? The answer is B. Delayed. The answer is B. Next is 21 question number, which is not the part of handling of prescription. इसका जो आंसर होगा वो क्या होगा? A होगा, reading. Next is 22 question number. Signature is the direction given to. The answer is C, patent. The answer is C, patent. Okay. Next is RX is used to denote prescription होता है. RX is used to denote. The answer is A, superscription. The answer is A, superscription. RX जो होता है वो denote किसको किया जाता है? Superscription से. Okay. Next is 24 question number. Following are the parts of prescription except. The answer is D, sign. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 25 question number. Prescription is a. The answer is C, a written order from the registered medical practitioner. जो medical practitioner होते हैं, जैसे आप फार्मेसी अगर कर लीजिए, कंप्लीट हो जाएगा आपका, तो अगर आप मेडिकल स्टोर खोलते हैं तो आप क्या हो जाएगा मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर. ओके. रजिस्टर्ड मतलब रजिस्टर्ड हो गए आप, तो मेडिकल प्रैक्टिशनर बन जाइएगा. तो उसी को क्या कहेंगे? प्रिस्क्रिप्शन हो गए. देन इसके बाद नेक्स्ट इज 26 क्वेश्चन नंबर. द मोस्ट कॉमन क्राइटेरियन used to determine the correct pediatric dose of a drug is. The answer is B, weight. The answer is B, weight. Next is 27 question number. Which component of the prescription is not always required? The answer is D, prescriber drug enforcement administration. DEA number मतलब drug enforcement administration and number. The answer is D. Next is 28 question number. What is the average adult body surface area? That means short form is BSA. The answer is B, 1.73 meter square. The answer is B. Next is 29 question number. How many grams of 2% aluminum paste must be mixed with 10% of aluminum paste to prepare exactly 120 gram of 5% strength? The answer is D, 75 gram. Okay. Next is 30 question number. An ointment contains 1% weight by weight calamine. How much calamine powder would be appropriate to add to 200 gram of the ointment to produce 4% weight by weight calamine ointment? The answer is C, 6.25 gram. The answer is C. Next is 31 question number. Which type of container are used for suppositories? The answer is A, aluminum foils. Aluminum foils. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 32 question number. Which type of container is used to single dose parenteral? The answer is D, ampoules. Ampoules में जो parenteral dose के लिए single dose के लिए आता है ampoules में. Next is 33 question number. Blank is powder used to clean teeth with help of toothbrush. The answer is D, dentifrices. जो इसका dentifrices is a powder used to clean the teeth with the help of toothbrush. Toothbrush के सहारे से हम clean कर सकते हैं dentifrice दांत को. ठीक है. The next is 34 question number. Externally used powder for the body cavities are called. The answer is D, insulfonation. The answer is D. Next is 35 question number. Powder are more stable than dosage form. The answer is A, liquid dosage form. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 36 question number. Which instruction are required on the label of the powder for dusting powder? The answer is B, for external use only. Answer is B. Next is 37 question number. Given the following are biphasic liquid dosage form except. The answer is B, aerosol. Answer is B. Next is 38 question number. Given the following are monophasic liquid dosage form except. The answer is D, anemia. Okay. The answer is D. Next is following the disadvantage of liquid dosage form from except. The answer is D. Not suitable for hygroscopic substance. The answer is D. Next is 40 question number. Which vehicle is very good for short pen? The answer is, and then इसका जो आंसर होगा वो क्या होगा? C होगा. Next is 41 question number. Given the following antioxidant are used for aqueous system except, the answer is D. Butylated hydroxyl anisole. The answer is D. Next is 42 question number. Which is the leveling requirement for suspension? The answer is B. Shake well before use. The answer is B. Next is 43 question number. In flocculated suspension in the rate of sedimentation, the answer is B. High. The answer is B. Next is 44 question number. Given the following are the parts of prescription except, the answer is D. Compounding. The answer is D. Next is compounding. Then next is 45 question number. What is the use of opacifying agent in face powder? The answer is D. Titanium dioxide. The answer is D. Next is 46 question number. Given the following are liquid dosage form except, the answer is C. Pills. The answer is C. Next is 47 question number. Which part of the prescription contain names and quantities of the prescription? The answer is C. Inscription. The answer is C. Inscription. Next is 48 question number. The quantity of the drug which displaces one part of the base is called, the answer is C. Displacement value. The answer is C. Displacement value. Next is 49 question number. Ointments are prepared by following methods except, the answer is T. Chemical reaction method. The answer is sorry. इसका जो आंसर होगा वो D होगा, C नहीं होगा. बोतल मेथड होगा. The answer is D. Okay. इसका जो आंसर होगा वो क्या होगा? D होगा. Next is 50 question number. Given the following, which is the correct storage condition for syrup? The answer is A. Storage at temperature not exceeding 25 degrees Celsius. The answer is A. Okay. Next is आपका जो है शुरू से लेके अंत तक जो है आप मिला सकते हैं, ऐसे सारा सही होंगे और ये क्या है? आंसर है. ओके. तो आपको अब क्या करना है? इस वीडियो को शेयर करना है. शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड में ताकि उनको भी हेल्प हो और कमेंट कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए. ओके. और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए. ठीक है. खुश रहिए. तब तक के लिए बाय. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं. ओके. और हमारा सारा वीडियो जितने भी है वो अपलोड हो चुके हैं फर्स्ट सेम के, तो आप जरूर देखें. आपको टोटल डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक में आपको मिल जा रहे हैं और GPAT का जो है पूरा सिलेबस अपलोड हो चुके हैं, आप देख सकते हैं. तब तक के लिए बाय.
सेम के लिए है. ओके. 50 तक जो था वो फर्स्ट पार्ट में है और सेकंड पार्ट से स्टार्ट करते हैं 51 से. चलिए देखते हैं 51 क्वेश्चन. Which of the following type of compound are the capsaicinoid? The answer is T. Protoalkaloids. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 52 question number. Which of the following is the medical use of common fumitory? The answer is C. Enhancing bile synthesis and excretion. Answer is C. Next is 53 question number. The basic structure of boldyfolium alkaloid is, the answer is D. Aporphin. The answer is D. Aporphin. Next is 54 question number. Vinpocetin, इसको बोल सकते हैं Cavinton, is a semi-synthetic derivative of the main active compound of which of the following plants? The answer is D. Vinica minor. The answer is D. Next is 55 question number. To which of the following type of compound does taxol belong? The answer is A. Diterpene alkaloid. The answer is A. Next is 56 question number. Which of the following statement relating to the traditional herbal medicine प्रोडक्ट इज फॉल्स? कौन से इसमें फॉल्स है? ट्रेडिशनल हर्बल मेडिसिन प्रोडक्ट। तो इसका जो आंसर होगा वो होगा फर्स्ट, एट्रीब्यूटिंग अ प्रिवेंटिव और curative effect to these product is forbidden. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 57 question number. Which of the following type of medicine was developed from the alkaloid camethoxin isolated from Camptotheca acuminata? The answer is B. Anti-cancer. The answer is B. Anti-cancer. Next is 58 question number. Which of the following type of medicine was developed from glycine isolated from the Galiga officinalis? The answer is A. Anti-diabetic. Answer is A. Okay. Next is 59 question number. Which of the following is the advantage of collecting medical herb from their natural habitat? The answer is D. No culturing costs are involved. The answer is D. Next is 60 question number. Which of the following group of compound consists of primary metabolites? The answer is E. Carbohydrates. The answer is E. Next is 61 question number. Which of the following structural feature is characteristics of saponin? The answer is B. They are triterpene glycoside. The answer is B. Next is 62 question number. The essential oil of Melissa officinalis is sometimes falsified with the essential oil of. The answer is A. Cambopogon winter anise. The answer is A. Next is 63 question number. Flavonoids such as hesperidin and rutin are able to decrease the permeability of the capillaries. The answer is E. Okay. Next is 64 question number. Which of the following type of component are used in photochemotherapy? That means the answer is C. Furanocomrins. The answer is C. Furanocomrins. Okay. Next is 65 question number. Which of the following is the tetracycline oxindole alkaloid of uncaryatomatose radix? The answer is D. Rhinchophilin. The answer is D. Next is 66 question number. As defined by the European Pharmacopoeia, which of the following are herbal drug? The answer is B. Mainly unprocessed whole or lichen, which are the particularly used after drying or sometimes fresh stacked. Answer is B. Next is 67 question number. Chromatography on normal face. Silica gel is based on which of the following physicochemical process? The answer is B. Adsorption. The answer is B. Adsorption. Next is 68 question number. Which of the following chromatographic techniques always use forced flow? The answer is A. Rotation planar chromatography. The answer is A. Next is 69 question number. Which of the following is the definition of chromatographic RF? RF, that means retention factor value. The answer is C. The distance that a particular compound moves divided by the distance of solvent formed from the start. The answer is C. Next is 70 question number. Which of the following is the shape or maize starch grain? The answer is C. Polygonal with a central triangular or 2 to 5 stellate cleft helium. Answer is C. Next is 71 question number. Which of the following process can be used to prepare and extract rich in polysaccharide from linseed? The answer is C. From whole seed with hot water. The answer is C. Next is 72 question number. Which of the following is a characteristic of mucilage? The answer is B. That means they undergoes hydrolysis to monosaccharide unit upon boil. Okay, the answer is B. Next is 73 question number. Which of the following is the main method for preparation fixed while used in medicine? The answer is C. Cold extrusion. The answer is C. Cold extrusion. Next is 74 question number. Flavonoid can be detected with reaction based on complex formation. Which of the following substituent on the flav1 skeleton prevent this? The answer is D. OCH3 on C5 and no OH on C3. Example novelitine. Example क्या हुआ novelitine. The answer is D. Next is 75 question number. Which of the following forms are alkaloid mainly present in plants? The answer is B. Salt of mineral acid. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 76 question number. In which of the following ways can alkaloid be extracted from the plant in salt form? The answer is C. Sacking with acidified water at room temperature or above. The answer is C. Next is 77 question number. With which of the following test can the alkaloid of deadly nightshade be identified? The answer is E. The Vitali test. The answer is E. Okay. Next is 78 question number. In which of the following ways is lavandula ethereum prepared? The answer is E. Steam distillation. The answer is E. Okay. Next is 79 question number. Which of the following is a suitable reason for the TLC detection of carbon? The answer is D. D2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine. The answer is D. Okay. Next is 80 question number. Which of the following does the homolytic index indicate? The answer is B. The saponin content of the drug. The answer is B. Next is 81 question number. Which of the following reagent is suitable for the detection of the cardioactive glycoside of digitalis purpureum? The answer is E. 3,5-dinitrobenzoic acid plus sodium hydroxide solution. The answer is E. Okay. Next is 82 question number. With which of the following method can the anthraquinone derivative content of the drug be detected? The answer is B. After extraction and mixing with diluted aluminum hydroxide solution. The separation alkyne phase shows a reddish orange or red color. Okay, the answer is B. Next, 83 question number. Which of the following methods is specified by the European Pharmacopoeia for quantification of the anthraquinone glycoside content of drug? The answer is C. Spectrophotometry. The answer is C. Next is 84 question number. Which of the following is the C glycoside? The answer is D. Alanine. The answer is D. Next is 85 question number. Which of the following factor does not influence the effectiveness of chromatographic separation? The answer is T. The optical rotation of the solvent system. The answer is D. Next is 86 question number. During steam distillation matricine breakdown, which of the following step is not involved in this process? The answer is D. Water addition. The answer is D. Next is 87 question number. Which of the following drug contain homopolysaccharides? The answer is C. Solani amylum. The answer is C. Solani amylum. Next is 88 question number. Which of the following factor does not influence the effectiveness of extraction? The answer is D. The refractive index of the compound to be extracted. The answer is D. Next is 89 question number. Which of the following volatile well has a higher density than that of water? The answer is B. Cryophyll erythrolium. The answer is B. Next is 890 question number. Which of the following is calendulifolis? The answer is an epitheliogenic. The answer is D, an epitheliogenic. Next is 91 question number. Which of the following is salivi marini fructus? The answer is C, a hepatoprotectant. The answer is C, a hepatoprotectant. Okay. Next is 92 question number. Which of the following are active agent of alkamelia? The answer is A. Tannin. Tannin, that means ellagic acid derivatives. The answer is A. Okay. Next is 93 question number. Which of the following is the use of alkameli herba in medicine? The answer is B. For the treatment of एक्जिमा एंड स्किन इन्फ्लामेशन. एक्जिमा में ट्रीटमेंट होता है और स्किन इन्फ्लामेशन में. ओके, द आंसर इज बी. नेक्स्ट इज 94 क्वेश्चन नंबर. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द यूज glanduloflavus in medicine? The answer is E, for the treatment of skin and mucosal inflammation. The answer is E. Okay, next is 95 question number. Which of the following is the use of gingivitis rhizoma in medicine? The answer is B, an antiemetic during travel sickness. The answer is B. Next is 96 question number. Which of the following is the use of Hadria folium in medicine? The answer is A, expectorant, excretolytic, spermolytic. The answer is A. Sorry, the answer is A. Okay. Next is 97 question number. Which of the following compound are responsible for the beta test of lupuliflus? The answer is A, fluoroglycine derivatives. The answer is A. Next is 98 question number. Which of the following compound of a Hypercea herba has a photosynthesizing effect? The answer is D, hypercin. The answer is D. Next is 99 question number. Which of the following is the official name of specified by the European Pharmacopoeia of the drug bearberry atocephus aswa trust? The answer is B, Aveorcifolium. The answer is B. Okay. Next is 100 question number. The volatile well of D. citrus senesis is the prepared by the mechanical pressing extrusion. Okay. Next is, तो आज हम बात करने वाले हैं फार्माकोग्नोसी 2 का एमसीक्यू, जो कि इम्पोर्टेंट है. जो सेकेंड पार्ट है और फर्स्ट पार्ट है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक में मिल जाएंगे. ओके, तो आज हम देखते हैं 101 से, और जितने भी 100 तक है वो फर्स्ट और सेकेंड पार्ट में आपको मिल जाएंगे. ओके, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर यानी कि 101 क्वेश्चन नंबर. Which of the following drug contain alkaloid derived from ornithine? The answer is A, nicotinafolium. The answer is first. Okay. Next is 102 question number. Which of the following properties are characteristic of tannins? The answer is B, they give a yellow or blush red color with iron third chloride. Okay, the answer is second. Okay. Next is 103 question number. Which of the following does hypercum perforatum contain? The answer is A, fluoroglycine derivatives. The answer is first. Okay. Next is 104 question number. Which of the following effect do the alkaloid of Epica coania radis have? The answer is C. Yani third sedative. Answer is 3. Okay. Next is 105 question number. Which of the following plant species are steroid source of industry? The answer is Glycyrrhiza glabra. The answer is second. Okay. Next is 106 question number. Which of the following drug contain no cardioactive compound? The answer is 3. Olindrifolium. The answer is 3. Okay. Next is 107 question number. Which of the following drug have high ascorbic acid content? कौन से ड्रग में हाई एस्कॉर्बिक एसिड जो है वो कंटेंट रहता है? तो इसका जो आंसर होगा वो होगा सेकंड मेलामाइन. द आंसर इज सेकंड. नेक्स्ट इज 108 क्वेश्चन नंबर. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर द एक्टिव कंपाउंड ऑफ hops? The answer is 3 loganin. The answer is 3 loganin. Next is 109 question number. Which of the following are the treated with ginkgofolium? Ginkgofolium. The answer is second, restlessness and sleeplessness and anxiety. The answer is second. Next is 110 question number. Which of the following compound are terpenoids? The answer is second, anthocyanidins. The answer is second, anthocyanidins. Next is 111 question number. Which of the following alkaloids are bisindol characteristic of Catheranthe herba? The answer is second, vincamin. The answer is second, vincamin. Next is 112 question number. Which of the following herbal drug contain sesquiterpene, gamma lactone as bitter compounds? The answer is B. That means second, sanctuary herba. The answer is second. Next is 113 question number. Which of the following drug contain bitter monoterpene compound? The answer is 4. Centauri herba. The answer is 4. Next is 14 question number. Which of the following alkaloid drug play a significant worldwide role in the pharmaceutical industry? The answer is 3. Papaver fructus. The answer is 3. Next is 115 question number. Which of the following drug contain bufadienolide glycoside? The answer is second, convalescent herba. The answer is second. Next is 116 question number. Which of the following type of compound are formed during the acidic decomposition of procyanidin? The answer is 3. Flavonoid. The answer is 3. Okay, flavonol. The answer is 3. Next is 117 question number. Which of the following natural substance serve as starting material in the semi-synthesis of the pregnenolone acetate? The answer is 3. Lactoside C. The answer is 3. Next is 118 question number. Which of the following the basis for distinction of Coni fructus from Anise vulgaris fructus by microscopy? The answer is 3. Anise vulgaris fructus has no secretion essential well type. The answer is 3. Next is 119 question number. Which of the following drug have an essential well containing carbon? The answer is second, Anise vulgaris fructus. The answer is second. Next is 120 question number. Which of the following drug have significant carotenoid content? The answer is second, Papaver rhodos flus. The answer is second. Next is 121 question number. Which of the following contain alkaloid of tropine? The answer is first, belladonna folium. The answer is first. Next is 122 question number. Which of the following alkaloid can be found in opium? The answer is papaverine. The answer is first. Next is 123 question number. Which of the following compound is characteristic of a passiflary herba? The answer is second, petropodine. The answer is second. Next is 124 question number. Which of the following alkaloid belong to the agotoxin group? The answer is 3. Agostin. Argostin. The answer is 3. Next is 125 question number. Which of the following plants serve as a starting material for the development of cystostatic medicine? The answer is second, Helleborus niger. The answer is second. Next is 126 question number. Which of the following plant contain alkaloid of purine basis? Purine base. The answer is 3. Lobelia inflata. The answer is 3. Next is 127 question number. Which of the following drug contain a high amount of heteropolysaccharides? The answer is first, plantagenous ovate semen. The answer is first. Okay. Next is 128 question number. To which of the following group do active agent in ginkgofolium belong? The answer is second, naphthoquinones. The answer is second. Next is 129 question number. Which of the following are the medical use of Ichinica drug? The answer is third, reducing digestive problem. कम करता है digestive problem का. Answer is 3. Okay. Next is 130 question number. Which of the following drug can be used in the treatment of beginning prostate hyperplasia? The answer is third, rhizoma. Answer is 3. Next is 131 question number. Which of the following statement relating to the alloy species are correct? The answer is A. The answer is 4. Okay. The alloy gel can be used to treatment a small wound and inflammation skin disease. Okay. Next is 132 question number. Which of the following pharmacognosy related quantitative determination are the listed in the European Pharmacopoeia? The answer is A. First, determination of volatile oil content. The answer is first. Next is 133 question number. Which of the following chromatographic technique always utilized post follow? The answer is first, rotation planar chromatography. The answer is first. Next is 134 question number. Which of the following factors influence the effectiveness of extraction? The answer is fourth, the method of extraction. The answer is fourth. Next is 135 question number. During thin layer chromatographic examination, the compound in the sample is identical with the test compound if the number of spots of the same in the sample and test material. Okay. The answer is 3. Next is 136 question number. Which of the following are characteristic of fixed valve? The answer is first, if used for the medical purpose, they are prepared by the cold restriction. The answer is first. Next is 137 question number. Which of the following compound are the C-glycoside? The answer is 3. Xanthopecrin. The answer is 3. Next is 138 question number. Which of the following drug contain homopolysaccharides? The answer is second, gummi arabicum. The answer is second. Next is 139 question number. Which of the following are the internal use of Calandula flux? The answer is second, as diuretic. The answer is second. Next is 140 question number. Which of the following are a characteristic of starches? The answer is first, they form a colloidal solution with hot water. Answer is first. Next in 141 question number. The European Pharmacopoeia prescribed HPLC method for the determination of the alkaloid content of the which of the following herbal drug? The answer is 3. Chiridoni herba. The answer is 3. Next is 141 2 question number. Which of the following reagent can use alkaloid detection? The answer is second, the Cade reagent. Answer is second. Okay. Next is 143 question number. The European Pharmacopoeia prescribes determination of the total hydroxycinnamic acid, caffeine acid, content of which of the following herbal drug? The answer is first, Balato negra herba. The answer is first. Next is 144 question number. Which of the following volatile oil assets is the recommended in the European Pharmacopoeia? The answer is first, esterin essential oil. The answer is first. Next is 145 question number. Which of the following volatile oil have a density higher than that of water? The answer is 3. Lavendel erythrolium. The answer is 3. Next is 146 question number. Which of the following are the characteristic of tannins? The answer is first, they give precipitate with heavy metal salt. The answer is first. Next is 147 question number. Which of the following drug contain flavonoids? The answer is 3. Aloe capenaceae. The answer is 3. Next is 148 question number. Which of the following are the medical use of cartiosi folicum flora? The answer is second, as anti-emetic. The answer is second. Next is 149 question number. Which of the following drug contain hydroquinone derivatives? The answer is 3. Salicylic cortex. Okay, the answer is 3. Next is 150 question number. Which of the following drug contains salicylic acid derivatives? The answer is third, Harpago phytidis.